The Bernette B77 is the top of the line sewing, quilting, and garment construction machine in the Bernette line. It's fully computerized with a 5-inch LCD screen. It's a super clear color screen. On this is our main part of the machine where I can access all the stitches. Everything is laid out for me very easily by category. I can easily pull up the stitches that I'm wanting to do. This machine has over 500 stitches built in. So you're going to have every stitch you need to do whatever it is that you're wanting to do. We'll be glad to help you with any kind of questions you have. Feel free to call us if you have a certain type of stitch you're looking for or a certain feature that you need. This particular machine, once I pull a stitch up, I can adjust my stitch width and I can adjust my stitch length. I can adjust them within tenths of millimeters, and on my screen it's going to show me just how large the stitch is in actual size. You will not find that with many machines that's on the market to be able to see what it's going to look like in actual size. This particular machine is super easy to thread. Everything is going to be channeled all the way down to my needle, and I do have a built-in needle threader on the machine. There are tutorials on the screen that shows me what I need to do to get the threads. There's all kind of other tutorials for different things you're working with. The machine does have built in on the computer board a needle up, needle down feature. I've got the auto lock feature that'll tie the stitch off underneath for me. So it hides that back tag and it ties it off behind the machine. I can regulate the speed of the machine here. So if I want to use just start stop, I'm able to do that, or you can use the foot control that comes with it. I can raise and lower the presser foot just by touching a button. There are going to be features built in. If I'm sewing and I hit my scissor, it raises the presser foot up for me. There's times I want to just raise the foot up, keep the needle in the garment to pivot or to turn a corner. I mean, it's got every feature you can think of built in on this machine. I will have the 7-point feed dog system built in on the machine. It's touching the fabric in 7 places. For lighter weight materials, that's very nice because now I don't have to worry about as my fabric's going through, it's staying flat as the needle's penetrating the garment. I've got the top drop-in bobbin on the machine. I can see at any given time how much bobbin thread I have, and it's really easy to thread that bobbin case. My accessory tray opens toward me, and this one is loaded out with features. It's loaded out with accessories that comes with it. I can get what I need, put it back. It's got a long arm on it, so if I'm hemming a pair of pants or a shirt sleeve, I can move it further up so I can get a design or get a stitch further down on a pant leg or a shirt sleeve. My drop feed lever is right here if I want to do free motion stippling or embroidery, or if I need just to darn a hole or put on a button. The B77 has a knee lift and it comes with that. It'll raise and lower the presser foot for me, so if I'm doing free motion work or stippling, I'm able to do that. There is an extension table that comes with it. Our sewing space is going to be 9 inches on this particular machine. And the number one feature, I would say, besides all the stitches and the computer controls, this machine has built-in dual feed or walking foot right behind my presser foot. And on the website, we will have pictures and more information that I can engage the dual feed at any given time. So I'll have a walking foot built in for me. The machine is super quiet and it will sew up to 1,000 stitches per minute without compromising any stitch quality. Machine is whisper quiet. As we do that tie off, it'll tie the stitch off underneath for us. And then I can hit my scissor. It's going to snip the thread. And then it raises that presser foot up for me. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Bernette dealer. We carry every model within the Bernette line. We'll be glad to help you with any kind of questions that you may have. This machine here is top of the line. You may be looking for a certain stitch or a certain feature. By all means, check the website out or give us a call anytime.